Today we're featuring a 2016 Kia Soul. It's got 11,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. I'm going to go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Make our way down the driver's side here. It is latte brown is the color of this Kia Soul. Alright. Rear of the vehicle looks good. No problems there. Make our way down the passenger side. Exterior of this vehicle is in great shape. Alright, it's a 16 with only 11,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have black cloth seating. Driver's seat looks good. Nice little pattern there in the back of the seat. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat looks good too. No problems there. It even smells like a new car. Still got the new car smell. Alright. It is an automatic. It's got your power supply outlets down there, auxiliary and USB. Got your climate control area here. Your AM/FM satellite ready system right here. And it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check the mileage. It's got 11,602 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, go back over here and show you your display on your radio. All right, AC's already blowing cold, not a problem there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Let me go ahead and open up this passenger side door a little more light in here so you can see the cloth. Let's take a look at the back seat. Door panels look good. Carpet looks good. Let me go ahead and walk around over here real quick and just open up this passenger side door. And we'll go ahead and open up the lift gate back here. Just really lighten it up in there so you can see. Alright, back seat cloth is in great shape. Has the nice pattern on the backs of the seat here as well. Alright, carpet down here looks good. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, really easy to get these seats down. There's a tab back here. Simply pull that, pull the seat down. Okay. Take a look back here in the back. It's got the nice thick plastic protector mat here. Alright, and you can see with that seat down just how much it opens it up back here. But there's still a good bit of room back here anyway with the seats up. Alright, really easy to get the seat back. Simply just lift it. It's nice and light. Okay. But you can see you get a good bit of room back here in this Soul. Let me go ahead and shut this other door real quick. Go ahead and take a look at your wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys. Okay. Tires still look good. Plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again guys, it's a 2016 Kia Soul. It's got 11,000 miles on it. This thing's practically brand new. Still has the new car smell. It's well taken care of inside and out. 11,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Okay, it's latte brown in color. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.